Hello, everyone. Welcome to another week of CAA assessment for lab students. And for this week, we are going to review TCM treatment principles, obstetrics and gynecology. Let's start with Ma'am Angel Ko for the first 20 questions. Good evening, Ma'am Angel.
Good evening, Doc. Good evening, classmates.
Okay, please name some possible differentiation for amenorrhea.
Ang possible differentiation po ng amenorrhea, Doc, is blood deficiency and also blood stagnation po.
Okay, very good. It makes sense, di ba? So amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. So you just have to choose between the two, no? Blood deficiency or blood stagnation. So let us differentiate between the two. Ano po itong pattern na to? Absence of menses for months, so matagal nang may amenorrhea. There is also lower abdominal distending pain aggravated by pressure. So definitely excess po ito, no? Okay. Hard mass in the lower abdomen, another sign of excess. Distension and fullness in the chest and hypochondriac region. Dark purple tongue. So this is very obvious, no? Dark purple tongue coating with purplish a tongue coating with purplish spots on its borders. And the pulse is deep string thought. So what is the pattern dito?
Yung pattern po, Doc, yung answer po is amenorrhea due to blood stagnation po,
Very,
Doc.
very obvious. And the
Opo.
next, okay, ano po ang acupuncture treatment natin for amenorrhea due to blood stagnation?
Ang treatment po natin, Doc, is REN3, stomach 29, spleen 10, spleen 6, LI4, and liver 3 po, Doc.
Very good. So obviously, we need to move the blood, no? Kasi nga, blood stagnation. So we need spleen 6, LI4, liver 3, right? And I'm sorry, spleen 10. Spleen
Spleen
10,
10.
obvious siya. That's for, yeah, spleen 10, LI4, liver 3. And of course, we need to tonify the yin, not only of the liver, but also the spleen and kidneys. That's why we use spleen 6. And for the local point, stomach 29, and also REN 3. REN 3 is the front view of...
Urinary bladder po, Doc.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. So, okay, for acupuncture treatment for amenorrhea due to blood stagnation and pain in the lower abdomen with hard mass. Okay, if the patient meron siyang hard mass that is aggravated by pressure, what point are you going to add?
Bali, Doc, ang i-add ko lang po is yung same pa rin po siya sa
Of
point
course.
kanina. Then, then i-add ko po si kidney 14 po, Doc.
Very good. Plus kidney 14.
Opo.
Okay, next. Let's talk about amenorrhea due to deficiency. Ano yung differentiation patterns po dito?
The differentiation pattern po, Doc, is deficiency of Qi and blood, also deficiency of essence and blood po, Doc.
Very good. Okay. Ano pong pattern to? Delayed menstrual cycle, gradual decrease of menses and amenorrhea. Pagkatapos may sallow complexion in prolonged cases, lassitude, vertigo and dizziness, poor appetite. Okay. Alin sa mga symptoms ito will clearly point to the diagnosis, Ma'am
Uh,
Angel.
First, Doc, the loose stool po kasi and poor appetite. So, ang answer ko is amenorrhea due to deficiency of Qi and blood symptoms.
Actually,
Also, may vertigo din siya, Doc, and dizziness po.
yeah, to make things fast, no? To expedite things, we need to look at the tongue first and the pulse.
Opo.
If you notice, pale yung tongue and with white coating, and also the pulse is slow and weak. Diyan pa lang halatang halata na, no? Okay, what is your pattern here?
My pattern po, Doc, is amenorrhea due to deficiency of Chi and blood symptoms po, Doc.
Very good. Okay, what about this? So you mentioned two patterns, no, for
Yes
deficiency.
po, Doc.
Ito naman, can you tell us about it? Like, paano mo na nakuha yung diagnosis? Look at the
Um,
first.
sa um, sa tongue po niya and sa pulse niya to kasi pale tongue with little coating, also string taut or wiry pulse and thready.
Hmm.
So, ano po siya, Doc? Amenorrhea due to deficiency of essence and blood symptoms po, Doc.
Hmm.
Also, meron din siyang ano, Doc, um, dry mouth and hot sensation, the palm.
Okay. So what is your answer here? Thready pulse.
Um, Apo.
Napaka ano ng thready pulse. Very,
Yes po, Doc.
yeah. So
So,
what?
ang symptoms po, Doc, is ano, ay ang ano ko po, Doc, is amenorrhea due to deficiency of essence and blood symptoms po, Doc.
Okay, very good. Hmm. Kasi, like, if you have sore and weak lower back and knees, alam natin na nag-store ng essence.
Essence po, Doc.
So, eventually, you will be thinking kaagad essence deficiency yung etiology, no, ng amenorrhea.
Apo.
And also, if you look at the thready pulse, it's very blood deficiency. Next, what is your acupuncture treatment for amenorrhea due to deficiency of Qi, blood, and essence?
May treatment po, Doc, sa REN4, bladder 18, bladder 20, bladder 23, stomach 36, and spleen 6 po, Doc.
Very good. So, if you notice, kasama na dito po yung what Zangfu organs are involved here primarily.
Yes
No?
po, Doc.
Bladder 20, bladder 23, bladder 18. It's so obvious na liver, kidney, and spleen, right?
And spleen po,
Oo.
Opo.
And also, stomach 36 and spleen 6, very common po yan. And why do we use REN4?
We use REN4 po, Doc, kasi siya yung front points of the small intestine and also crossing point of the REN vessel and the Trian meridian po, of foot, spleen, liver, and kidney, Doc.
Yeah, and we all know that REN is very, very influential sa
Opo.
menstruation. Okay, let's go now to uterine bleeding. What are the types of uterine bleeding?
First po is metroagia and metrostaxis po, Doc.
Okay, so let's differentiate the two. Okay, ano po ito? Again, can you discuss like paano mo nakuha yung pattern dito? So you have to
Opo.
tell us which in the clinical presentation would tell you. So kanina you mentioned there are two types of uterine bleeding. We have metrorrhagia and metrostaxis. So pipili
Opo.
tayo sa dalawa. Then my question is, how are you going to prove na isa sa dalawa itong just by looking at that?
Opo. So, ito po kasi si number 10. Si metrorrhagia po kasi um, uh, irregular intervals po siya, Doc, ng bleeding eh. So, first is nakita ko is irregular intervals po ng bleeding.
Madaming bleeding, di ba? Copious.
Opo. Opo. And irregular intervals po. So, hindi po siya, ano po yata, tuloy-tuloy.
Hmm.
Then,
Yeah. And makikita mo kasi it can cause significant anemia. So grabe
opo.
as intense yung bleeding dito, no?
Yes po. Kasi
So,
nagka-anemia na siya, Doc. So, talagang copious po yung bleeding niya po.
so if you have this kind of patient, you have to always collaborate with an OB-GYN, no?
Opo.
A gynecologist talaga. Okay, kasi this could be due to a hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, uterine fibroids, or early uterine cancer. Okay, your answer is metrorrhagia, right?
Opo, Doc. Metrorrhagia po.
Okay. Ano naman ito? Slight but continuously dripping. Kukunti lang yung uterine bleeding pero ano siya, continuous siya.
Continuous naman, Doc.
So,
Si continuous naman po ng uterine bleeding, si Metrostaxis po, Doc. Usually, umaabot po siya ng 2 weeks po na continuous bleeding po.
So they are poles apart. Yung kanina
Opo,
matindi, no?
opo, opo.
So,
Ito is light lang, Doc. Pero
it,
continuous po siya.
okay. Now let's go to differentiation of patterns for uterine bleeding.
So first po, Doc, is excessive heat po, Doc.
Hmm.
And Chi deficiency po, Doc.
Okay. Alam naman natin na one way of eliminating heat is bleeding. And we all know that pag nag-bleed ka, naglalabas ka ng heat, no? So there are two, excessive heat and Qi deficiency. So ito naman, like what is the etiology here? And tell us how you came up with that diagnosis.
Came up po ako, Doc. First, I checked the tongue and the pulse po, Doc. Yung tongue po niya is red tongue with yellow coating. So heat po talaga siya. Talagang excessive heat po siya, Doc.
Ano pa? Ano pa?
Also, the pulse is rapid. So
Yes.
automatic po may heat po siya, Doc.
Okay. So obvious na. Dalawa lang man yung pag-ano natin, no?
Opo.
Okay. So continuous vaginal bleeding, obvious na obvious, deep red color, fidget, ibig sabihin uneasy siya.
Uterine bleeding,
Yeah.
bleeding
So
due
your
to
answer is
excessive heat symptoms po, Doc.
very good. Excessive heat. Uterine bleeding secondary to excessive heat. And number 14, ano po yung acupuncture treatment natin? Do you think we can find this case very often sa mga babae?
Yes po, Doc. Kasi once syempre po, pagka sinabi kasi natin na may heat symptoms, affected po si liver. So talagang si pagbabae po, Doc, talagang mas mabilis maapektuhan yung liver nila. So I think mabilis po, mas madalas po tong case na to makikita.
Okay, very good. So what are the points for excessive heat?
The points po, Doc, ay REN3 po, spleen 10, spleen 1, and liver 8 po, Doc.
Okay. How do we okay. So yun. Ako kasi medyo ayoko ng spleen 1. So nilalagay ko sa tenga yung spleen 1.
Sa auricular na, Doc.
And if you
Masakit yan,
notice,
no?
talagang
Kasi
parating
Jingwell kasi masakit talaga.
spleen 1. Okay, andyan si spleen 10 na parating
Opo.
dyan. And of course, REN3. And REN3 happens to be the front view of.
The urinary bladder po, Doc.
Okay, that's actually how would I say it? The local point, right? Liver 8. So bakit gumagamit tayo ng liver 8 dito? And liver
Si
8,
liver 8 po kasi, Doc, is has a point of the liver. So gaya ng sabi ko kanina, once mayroong heat ang babae and then problem sa menstruation,
okay.
affected po si liver. So ginagamit po natin yung liver 8.
So parang itatapon mo sa dagat para mabilis.
Yes po, Doc. Opo, Doc.
Okay. What if meron tayong additional symptoms, no? Ano yung
Yes po, Doc.
natin, which we always use, especially pag may heat.
Ina-add po natin usually, Doc, yung points natin is large intestine 11 po, Doc.
Okay.
Isa rin po siyang has a point po, Doc.
Very good. Number 16, acupuncture treatment. Okay, pag meron naman siyang excessive heart fire. By the way, ano makikita mo sa tongue pag ang isang babae mayroong excessive heart fire?
So, Doc, una po, pagka pina-check natin yung tongue niya is meron po siyang red tip and pahaba po yung tongue niya, Doc.
Okay. Actually, even if, rather tip. Okay.
Opo, Doc.
So the same points, plus ano yung gagamitin natin na effective din?
So, since meron na po siyang excessive heart fire, Doc, dadagdagan na po natin siya ng heart 8, which
And-
is also yung spring po, Doc. And yun po, Doc, heart 8 po.
Ang galing. Okay. Acupuncture treatment for uterine bleeding. Okay, kung may liver fire naman, like ano makikita mo sa dila?
So, pag liver fire naman, Doc, yung Yung sa dila naman niya, first is yellowish din po yung tang.
Hmm.
Since may fire na. Fire
Okay.
na po ito eh. Opo. So mag-add naman po tayo ng liver 3 po, Doc.
Okay.
Dok, hindi ba liver 2 din pwede?
Hindi naman sinabi na namula yung muka, no? Una-una, this is just
Hindi ba?
liver fire.
Kasi di ba excessive heat na siya, Dok? So, hindi ba siya pwedeng gamitan ng mga
Well,
point
it's up to
para
you.
sa
You can
heat?
use liver 3 or liver 2. We
Okay.
always start with una-una, you have to look for ako kasi I just don't use liver 2, right? Una-una masakit siya. Kung naguhuramentado na yung pasyente mo, then you have to use liver 2, which we don't really find as a significant symptom here.
Okay.
And it is a Yuan source point. We all know that. No?
Liver
So it's a case-to-case basis. You can use liver 3 or liver 2. Usually kasi pag
Parehong pwede.
may
Parehong pwede,
liver
Doc.
3, mapula na yung muka. Hindi naman lahat ng may liver 5, mapula na ang muka kaagad.
Parang ano na siya, mas malala na po siya, Doc.
Yes. Okay. So anong pattern po ito?
So, si number
And
18,
how
the
did you
pattern po, Doc.
arrive? So kanina
Opo,
excessive
pattern.
heat. Ngayon, yeah.
Opo, the pattern po, Doc, is uterine bleeding due to Qi deficiency symptoms. Kasi sa tongue niya is pale. Pale with yellow coating, tas thread weak pulse po, Doc.
Okay. So,
And yun nga, Doc, meron din siyang
at saka yung ano niya,
light red and thin blood. So,
light red, so very
Mhm.
pale red and thin blood, no? Lassitude.
opo, very pale po, very, opo.
So very Qi deficient.
Yes,
Okay?
Doc, may weak pa yung breath niya.
Mhm. So you might find this in your wellness missions. It is very important na magaling ka mag-pick out ng, mag-pick up ng diagnosis. So have you encountered this in your missions? I don't think so.
Meron po, Doc.
Wala pa.
Meron
Actually,
siya.
meron.
Kumbaga problem niya sa uterine, ano naman siya, Doc? Parang
Usually,
halos hindi na siya naragla.
ito naman, hindi mo talaga mapapansin na magtatanong ka about menstruation. That is why if you notice na meron kang nakita sa tongue na medyo then you have to suggest. You may probably ask, of course. And some women may not, may feel na parang ano lang siya, nothing, nasanay na, no? Ganun lang. So uterine bleeding due to Qi deficiency symptoms. So what's your acupuncture treatment here?
Acupuncture point, Doc, is REN 4, do 20, Sanjiao 4, spleen 6, stomach 36, Doc, and also spleen 1 po, Doc. But sabi nyo nga po kanina, pwede ito sa ear since masakit po ang tusukan ng Jingwell points.
Kasi pain.
Opo.
So, pati rin split 3, Doc, kung yun source point, kung deficiency naman siya.
Ang alin daw?
Pwede spleen 3?
Oh yes, of course. Yeah. So pag hindi naman masyadong masakit ang spleen 3. Pag spleen 1 lang kasi baka sipain ka ng pasyente. Okay, last question, Ma'am Angel.
Opo. Last po is acupuncture treatment for uterine bleeding due to, ito po yung may add po, no? Kasi may anorexia po siya and loose stool. So,
okay.
Same pa din, Doc, pero mag-add po tayo ng bladder 20 and bladder 21, Doc. For the back shoe point, opo, ng stomach and spleen.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Angel. Talagang
thank you, Doc.
Pasok mo pa yata inara. Congratulations. So,
thank you po, Doc.
we're really proud of you. Let's proceed to Ami Glorioso. Ma'am Ami, good evening.
Doc, good evening, classmate.
Okay, ready. Okay, anong tawag dito? Okay, how are you going to ask this from the patient? Hindi mo naman siguro, kasi pag hindi mo tinanong to, hindi din nila isa sasabihin.
Opo. Doc, ito pang ADC symptomized by persistent excessive mucous vaginal discharge.
Okay, so this is actually leukorrhea, no?
Oo, leukorrhea po. Morbid leukorrhea.
Oo. So ang tanong ko ngayon is, paano mo siya itatanong sa babae? Minsan kasi na-embarrass sila sabihin.
Ano na lang po, Doc. Tanong po ba
Paano?
or kailangan po, tingnan po yung tang niya?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi naman na siya
Hindi naman.
nakikita.
Tatanungin mo. Siyempre, tinan mo muna yung
Ano
tongue.
po?
Then pag may
Yes.
nakita kang sign sa tongue, then you start asking. My
Opo.
question is, how are you going to make it, to ask it, para hindi naman siya ma-offend?
Yung sa mens niya po, Doc. Mens niya po, Doc.
Lumalabas.
Opo.
Ano ba po ang definition ng leukorrhea?
Ito po yung mucous vaginal discharge, di po.
Excessive. Okay.
Yes po.
So, let's go to the patterns ng morbid leukorrhea. Ano-ano po siya?
Deficiency in the spleen po.
Okay.
First. And then second, deficiency in the kidney. And the third one is DAMHIT po.
Okay, very good. Okay, anong pattern po ito? Okay, di ba sinabi ko kanina, tingnan mo kaagad yung tongue. Can you tell
Yes po.
us? Yeah.
Yung failed tongue with white sticky coating po, Doc.
Automatic, ano yung nasa utak natin? Di ba, pipilian mo lang yung spleen deficiency, kidney, and DAMHIT.
Kidney. Yes po. Ito ang proposed white yellow vaginal.
So what is your answer here?
Is deficiency in the spleen, Doc.
Okay, kailangan mo rin tingnan yung itsura niya, no? Diba? Tingnan mo, loose stool, anorexia, tapos edema to lower limbs. So this is deficiency, no? Next, ano po yung acupuncture treatment natin for morbid leukorrhea due to spleen deficiency?
The main points selected from the REN, the spleen, and the stomach meridian, Doc.
Okay, and what are they? Are you not yeah, okay. REN,
Okay po.
spleen, stomach.
For DIMAI is the GB empirical point for leukorrhea, and REN 6, UB 13, spleen 9, and the stomach 36.
Okay. Kung nakalimutan mo yung ibang points, ano yung una-una mong point gagamitin?
Yung GB26, Doc. Talaga ang dapat.
Bakit po? Sabi nyo kasi empirical yan eh.
Yes, Doc.
Parang instant. Kasi alam naman natin pag mahina ang spleen, dampness ka agad, di ba? So, una-una
Spleen
natin.
6 po.
Ewan ko lang ha. Yeah.
Spleen 6 pwede po, Doc.
Ay, hindi. Ang spleen 6 is yin deficiency or blood deficiency.
Okay.
This is dampness.
REN 6 po, Doc.
Yeah, REN 6 for your chi, right?
Okay. Yes po.
So, gawin natin, wag tayong memorize nito ng memory. Kasi hindi mo naman ito matatandaan lahat eh, no? Okay.
Yes po, Doc. Ang dami.
Baka mamaya ngayon. Tapos sa actual, hindi mo na alam ng gagawin.
Yes po. REN 6 po.
Okay, ganito Ma'am Ami. Paano ito sasabihin ng pasyente mo?
Paano po, Doc?
Okay, meron siyang may lumalabas, di ba? Ano po yung symptom na hahanapin mo para malaman mo ito yung pattern?
Deficiency of spleen po is the loose stool
Hindi,
po.
ano na po tayo? Tapos na tayo sa spleen deficiency. Dito na po tayo sa ibang pattern. Ang natitira, kidney deficiency na lang, pati DAMHIT. So ang tanong ko ganito, paano ipipresent kaya ng pasyente to? Kasi parehong may discharge, di ba? O katulad nitong isa. Ang ano lang dito is loose stools, di ba? Parati siyang...
Yes po, loose stool po.
So automatically spleen deficiency yan. Ang tanong ko dito, hindi na ito spleen deficiency. Ano yung itatanong mo sa pasyente? O yung sasabihin niya? Para malaman natin ganito yung pattern ng morbid leukorrhea.
Yung pong soreness of the low back,
Okay.
masakit po.
Masakit yung tagulugin.
Yes po, yung low back pain po.
Ano pa?
Tapos po yung ano niya, yung discharge niya po,
Frequent
kung in or
Yung discharge,
urination.
common na yun.
Yes
Oo.
po.
Ang ano ko kasi, ano pa yung itatanong
Excessive
mo?
urination.
Baka kasi hindi nila alam. Di ba?
Yung pale
Kung
tongue with
ihi.
Ihi.
Papaiihi.
Pag-ihi.
yung excessive urine po. Frequent and excessive urine ng pasyente.
Ano pa? Ano pa? Meron ba rin bang loose stools? Like anong oras kaya siya na-evac? Yung tinatawag na
5
COX.
a.m. po siguro, Doc. 5
Correct.
a.m.
Before.
Okay.
5 a.m.
Sige, kasi nakikinig si Dr. Gavino. Dapat alam natin.
Yes po.
Okay. Ano naman yung acupuncture treatment mo rito?
Ang acupuncture treatment po is
Yung pinaka-the best. Siyempre, hanap ka ng pang-symptom. Ang isa naman, yung pang-kidney.
selected point po, Doc, is ren uli and the kidney.
Okay.
And the kidney meridian.
Yeah.
Using UB23, ren 4, kidney 12, also GB26, and kidney 7, Doc.
Okay. Bakit tayo
10
ginamit
mismo
ng
sa-
Bakshu? Bakit Bakshu ginamit natin for the kidney?
Dahil po, back to point of the kidney, Doc, yung UB23.
Oo, pero bakit yon? Hindi nag-front
Hindi.
na lang tayo.
To reinforce.
Kasi
To
chronic
reinforce, Doc, the yang qi and tonify the kidney
deficiency
and stabilize the ren
conditions
and
are
the damay.
chronic. Diba? So, wag mong kakalimutan yung likod. Since
Opo,
it's
yung
caused by a
UB.
kidney issue, then priority mo talaga yung bladder 23, tapos
Opo.
87, at saka 1 for the symptom. No? Next,
Yes po.
ano po ang ano natin dito? Isa na lang natitira. Yung una-una mong tatanungin na that will clinch your diagnosis already. Isa lang.
Doc, yung yellow coating po. Tang yellow coating, kung titingnan, dadiagnose po natin
Yan
sa
yung
tang
nakikita
yellow
mo, ma'am.
coating.
Ano yung itatanong mo sa pasyente? Ano yung
Yung,
pagkakaiba nito? Di ba dalawa na yung na-discuss natin? Morbid leukorrhea due to kidney deficiency saka spleen deficiency.
yung quantity po, Doc, ng kasi yung kanina po, ito large quantity.
Okay. Yung bang dalawa may amoy?
Wala.
Wala po.
Ito yung
po
may amoy.
Ito pa kasi may amoy na eh.
O kung gusto mo
sticky.
makita, di amuyin mo.
Opo. Ay, grabe.
Joke lang.
Opo.
Hindi pa naman sure, di ba?
Hindi. Siyempre po, pwede naman.
Dati nung
May
intern,
mga honest naman po, Doc, na pasyente na talaga namang nagsasalita sila. Pwede naman pong itanong, Doc.
itatanong mo nga. Hindi naman nila sasabihin yan kasi nakakahiya. Di ba?
Ay, meron naman po, Doc, na mga honest din eh.
Ay, mabuti naman. Okay.
Opo.
Sige, go. So, ano yung ano mo dito?
Itching.
Differentiation.
Opo.
Ha?
Meron po siya kasing, yung kanina po is walang itching eh. Tapos ito po meron.
Basta mabaho.
Yes po.
Stinky. Okay.
At saka itching.
Oo naman.
Mhm.
Okay, sige. So, anong pattern to?
Ang pattern po nito is dam hit po, Doc.
Okay. Next, anong acupuncture treatment mo?
Acupuncture treatment, Doc, is selected ren
pala yung
and the
treatment
spleen
principle?
meridian, Doc. Ren 3, UB32, spleen 6, liver 3, and also GB26.
Okay. Ren 3, bladder 32, spleen 6, liver 3.
Ang Ren 3 po, Doc, is the front move point of the bladder eh.
Okay, dump heat ito. Ano yung gagamitin mo para mawala yung heat?
Gagamitin po para mawala ang heat.
Kasi siyempre, di ba, tatanggalin mo yung dampness. Ito na si spleen 6.
Liver 3 po,
Gamitin
Doc.
si spleen 9, di ba?
Liver 3.
Liver 3. Ah, yeah, okay. Okay. Next. Pag nangangati, sabi mo kanina, nag-i-itch, anong idadagdag mo na point?
Liver 5, Doc.
Okay. Very
Liver
good.
for itching. Yes,
Expert
Doc.
ka na niya. May pasyente ka na niya.
Yes po, Doc.
Ay,
Naka-encounter na po, Doc.
Ang galing naman. Okay. Kung yung lumalabas na discharge mapula, anong idadagdag mo?
Kung redis po, Doc, spleen 10.
Wow. Okay. What about pag grabe yung heat?
Use po, Doc.
Yung pinaka-common na ginagamit natin, lalo na pag internal.
LI11, Doc.
Okay. Bakit hindi natin ginamit si LI4?
Since, Doc,
Kasi chronic na to, di ba? Usually mas
Chronic.
matindi ang LI11. Okay. For
LI11.
heat. Okay.
For heat.
Next, we go to, anong tawag dito? Group of
The group
symptoms.
symptoms. Morning sickness, Doc.
Okay. What is the medical term?
Ang deficiency in the
Medical term. Can you tell them, Ma'am Lynn?
morning sickness.
Bigla ko nakalimutan. Ano na nga.
Sinabi mo yan last time.
Oo nga, bigla ko nakalimutan.
Ay, ano yan? Bakit biglang karoon ng heart deficiency? Ay, okay.
Ano siya?
Hyperemesis gravidarum.
Yes, gravidarum. Gravidarum yung naalala ko lang. Hyperemesis pala. Okay.
Differentiation natin, Ma'am Ami, ng morning sickness.
Deficiency in the spleen and stomach.
And
disharmony between the liver and the stomach.
very good. So anong pattern nito?
Ang pattern po ng 34, nausea, vomiting food immediately after meal, fullness and distension, feeling in the chest, bad appetite, lassitude, sleepiness, and pale tongue, weak and slippery pulse, is deficiency in the spleen and stomach.
Actually, ano lang, ano yung una-una mong itatanong para hindi umaba-aba? Kasi
Doc, yung ano po, also the loose stool.
pagkakain.
Pagkakain.
Pagkakain, nagsusuka ka agad. Okay, kaya walang, yeah. So this is stomach and spleen deficiency symptoms. What about this one? What is the acupuncture treatment? So ayusin mo yung spleen and stomach.
Using the stomach and the spleen, Doc.
Okay, what are the
Meridian.
points?
And open the chong, which is Ren 12, Ren 13, PC6, stomach 36, and spleen 4.
Wow, ang galing naman. Okay. Next. Di ba dalawa lang? Anong itatanong mo rito para automatic? First symptom, right?
Something bitter, sour.
Mapait or maasim na liquid.
Maasim.
Liver and stuff. Pati mukha niya maasim. Joke. Actually, very common to, lalo na pag masyadong nag-aaway, yung ganon, no? Mas common ito kaysa sa isa.
Bitter, bitter, sour liquid.
Okay, so this is liver and stomach disharmony symptoms. So what will be your acupuncture treatment?
Using stomach, Doc. Ren 17.
Okay.
Ren 12. PC6, stomach 36.
Okay.
Liver 3.
Liver 3. The very famous liver 3. Next, what do you call this? Parturition lasting over 24 hours.
Prolonged labor, Doc.
Sino ba nakaka-relate dito niyan?
Ako, ni Doc.
Kami, Doc, lahat ng mga
Ay, bakit
naka-experience
lahat
na.
kayo? Okay,
Yes.
bakit nagkakaroon ng narrow pelvic canal or
Due to
malposition?
weak contractions and forcelet contractions of the wound.
So do you think makakatulong ang presence ng acupuncturist dito?
Nagkakaroon siya.
Kailangan kaibiganin niyo muna yung yung OB, no? Dapat ipakita mo muna, you know what you're doing. Baka mami. Okay, prolonged labor. What are the differentiation patterns?
Deficiency of chi and blood, and chi stagnation and blood stasis po.
Okay, very easy. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Ami.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
Let's proceed to Ma'am Lynn Galarita. Good evening.
Good evening po.
Sa ano? Okay. Anong pattern po ito, Ma'am Lynn?
Prolonged labor due to deficiency of chi and blood.
So what makes you clinch the diagnosis?
Itong dull paroxysmal labor pains po. Yung lassitude, shortness of breath, mga deficiency.
So hindi siya sharp, no? Tapos pale complexion.
Pale complexion.
Okay.
So yung bleed niya ay light color lang.
Ito ba yung pattern mo?
Mas chi deficiency daw kasi in-induce ako mag-labor.
Okay.
Nung doktor. Tapos inabot na ako ng 2 araw na hindi pinakain. So, wala na akong kalakas-lakas. Okay. Kaya nahihirapan na akong umire.
Okay, kasi siguro it's about time na kaibiganin na natin yung mga OB and we show them that we know what we're doing, no? We can probably, wag mo lang, hindi ka naman pwedeng para matulungan lang. So,
kasi na dry labor na din ako noon kasi pumutok na yung panubigan ko parang 11 o'clock pa ng gabi. Tapos mga 4 or 5 a.m. na ako nakapanganak. Kaya, pero mga 2 days na akong naka-induce. So wala na talaga akong energy.
So with regards to chi and blood deficiency, ano po yung points natin?
So, spleen 6, stomach 36, saka yung UB67, ito na yung empirical point to induce labor.
Did you say bladder 67?
Bladder 67 po.
Okay. I think imo-moxa mo to, di ba?
Moxa prior to labor po siya, Doc.
Okay.
Para mag-group.
Okay, ito naman yung isang pattern. Ano dito yung hahanapin mo kaagad?
Sharp pain. Saka
yes.
So, chi stagnation, blood stasis. Saka lahat
So compared sa
bluish complexion.
Yung tongue nito mas madilim. Yung kanina maputla, di ba?
Forceful pulse. So
this is prolonged labor.
Full pattern po talaga siya.
Yeah, chi stagnation and blood stasis. What would be your acupuncture treatment?
So LI4, spleen 6 ulit, bladder 67, maybe 67 pa din.
So tuloy-tuloy si 67, okay. Now, what do you call this? Lying of the fetus in the uterus for 30 weeks after conception. No other symptoms.
Malposition ba ito, Doc?
Okay, fetal malposition
of the fetus.
Okay, what would be your acupuncture treatment for malposition of the fetus?
Ito, moxa bladder 67 po.
Anong weeks?
Mga around, Doc? Mga 7 months.
No. Don't use months. Weeks na tayo.
7 weeks. So, around 30 weeks.
32 to 36 weeks. According to my source. I don't know if merong iba dyan. Which makes sense naman, no? Minsan, 32 to 36 weeks.
Kasi nag-start na dapat mag-engage yung bata na mga ganyan.
So dito nakikita natin yung 3 types, front breech, complete breech, and footling breech. So Gumawa ka ng babarkadahin na OB.
May friend po ako, Doc, na nag-breech position at mga
Okay.
32 weeks. Nagmoksa lang din siya. So nag-turn yung baby mga days before. 2 days before siya nag-start ng labor. Nag-cephalic presentation na yung anak niya. So nag-normal delivery siya.
Kasi nagpapa-ultrasound naman. Okay, 32 to 36 weeks. Okay, ano po ito? Milk secretion ng nursing mother insufficient.
Insufficient lactation.
What do you think is the reason why most mothers, working mothers, talagang kulang ang lactation? Stress?
Chi and blood deficiency. Kasi kulang sa tulog, usually kulang sa pahinga.
Kailangan bumalik sa
Stress,
trabaho kaagad.
stagnation.
Okay. So what are the differentiation? Paulit-ulit lang, no?
So chi and blood deficiency, liver chi stagnation.
Very good. So ano po ito? Ano yung ano natin dito? Salient feature.
Insufficient lactation due to chi and blood deficiency. Deficiency pattern po to, Doc. So pale complexion, dry skin, lassitude, yung mga signs na weak and ready pulse.
Pale tongue.
Pale tongue.
So chi and blood deficiency. And this one, excess.
Excess. It's liver chi stagnation. Yan and descending pain in the breast, mental depression, hypochondriac pain, very liver stagnation yung signs and symptoms. Why repulse?
Actually, you don't find anything in the tongue at all. No?
Why repulse?
Why repulse? Medyo...
Kasi chi stagnation naman siya, hindi blood, kaya pink tongue lang siya.
Madali lang kasi dalawa lang yung pag-aaralan nating patterns, di ba? Pinaka-common.
Yeah.
Next, acupuncture treatment.
So, acupuncture treatment, stomach 18, local point to, malapit sa breast.
Okay.
Ren 17, so yung in between na sa sternum na point, in between nipples. And SI1, the empirical point for lactation.
Okay. Empirical point. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin alam kung bakit yan ang ginamit, no?
Ang layo niya nasa dulo ng daliri, tapos lactation ang kanyang.
So I hope everybody remembers this. Malay nyo, makaka-relate yung iba. Next, what is your acupuncture treatment for insufficient lactation due to deficiency of chi and blood? So you see, it's very easy, no? All you have to remember are the points that you usually use for the pattern, right? So this one, what will you add?
So spleen 6, stomach 36, tsaka bladder 20.
Very good. Next, liver chi. Okay, if the insufficient lactation is due to liver chi stagnation.
Andiyan na yung liver 3 and liver 14.
Lalo na pag inaalala na niya yung gastos, no?
Yeah. Tsaka pericardium 6.
Okay. Pericardium 6 is very effective because it actually moves the chi, no? It's so effective. Try it. I always needle it last. Okay, liver 14, liver 3. Liver 14 is the front mo, no? Is that the front mo?
Front mo of the liver.
Very good. Acupuncture treatment to stop lactation.
Pwede pala siya. Kala ko yaan mo lang siyang walang mag-nurse. Okay. GB37 and GB41. So, mox 10 minutes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Is this something that they can do by themselves? Acupressure, no?
Kung moxa lang, Dok, sa paa naman to pareho eh. Kaya kayang gawin.
Okay. Next, what do you call this? Descent of the uterus into the vagina.
Prolapse of the uterus.
Uterine prolapse of the uterus. Next, what is the differentiation? Ano yung aaralin nating patterns?
Chi deficiency or kidney deficiency.
Very easy, no? Talaga nag-aaral kayo, ha? So number 1, yeah, okay. So andito, I'm going to share this with you right away, right after our assessment, para you can keep this for your notes. Malay nyo, may mga pasyente na kayo puro OB, no? Puro gynae. Okay. So andito nakikita nyo yung degree ng uterine descent, no? First degree, second degree, and the Prosidencia. Next, what do you call this pattern?
Prolapse due to Chi deficiency.
Okay, if you notice the Chi deficiency here, andyan na yung shortness of breath, little protein. Okay.
A weak pulse.
Ito naman, what is the first thing that you will ask?
Kung masakit ang likod.
Yes. Likod and knees.
Mga tuhod.
Yes. Okay. Very easy. What will be your acupuncture treatment for prolapse of uterus due to Chi deficiency?
So we'll have DO20, REN6, REN12, stomach 36, stomach 29.
Okay, very basic, di ba? We always do that. Okay, ang pinaka-star is DO20.
Lagi. Parang lahat ng prolapse DO20.
Oh, DO20. Yeah. And irregular menstruation, common cases.
Antedated menstruation or early menstruation.
Yes.
Yung late menstruation, tsaka irregular menstruation.
Congratulations, Ma'am Lynn. Thank you so much. Let us now call on Ma'am Lane Arandia. Good evening po.
Good evening po.
Okay, you sound very ready. Can you handle 61 to 70?
Okay po to.
Very good. Antedated menstruation, alam na natin ano, di ba? What are the patterns here?
Antedated menstruation, heat in the blood, Chi deficiency.
Galing. Madali lang, no? Parang post-heart siya.
Ito yung short cycle na menstruation.
Okay.
Antedated, no? Maiksi lang.
Okay. What about post-dated menstruation?
Ito naman po yung blood deficiency, cold in the blood, tapos Chi stagnation.
Gagaling yun na. Talagang mag-OB yata ang specialization. Alam nyo how I wish, no, we could do that, no? We're very proud of you. Irregular menstruation cycles, differentiation.
Chi stagnation in the liver and kidney deficiency.
Okay, very easy, no? Okay, anong pattern nito po?
Ito naman po yung antedated menstruation due to heat in the blood.
Okay, alin dito sa symptoms that will immediately tell you na heat in the blood talaga?
May dark red and thick blood. Tapos
yellow.
May large quantities. Tapos yung tank niya is yellow coating.
Yes.
Brown urine sa blood.
Okay. Next, what will be your acupuncture treatment for antedated menstruation due to heat in the blood?
So may heat siya, may due to heat in the blood, Li11, PC.3 siya ng large intestine, and REN3, front mo ng urinary bladder, and then spleen 10, point for treating disorders for relating to the blood, and kidney 5, chief left point for the kidney.
Okay. Next, what about, let's say meron siyang liver chi transforming into fire. Usually may mga emotional issues to. So nasa inyo na kung paano nyo i-extract yan. So what are you going to add? Dito na.
May liver 2, yung spring, tapos kidney 5, spleen 10, REN3, and Li11 din.
Ito na yun, Ma'am Lynn, yung tinatanong nyo.
Kasi yun yung natatandaan ko doon, basta may heat or
actually, wala naman sigurong hard and fast rule, no? I think pag nakita mo may fire na talaga, di gamitan mo na lang ng liver 2.
Liver 2.
Okay. Next. Treatment for antedated menstruation due to heat in the blood with Morian deficiency with internal heat.
Hindi pa rin mawawala yung Li11, may REN3, spleen 10, kidney 5, and kidney 2.
Okay.
Kidney 2.
Can we use kidney 6 dito, Doc, for Morian deficiency?
This one kasi, mas matindi na yung bababa ka na eh. meron na siyang heat, no? Pag
Okay.
if it's simply
So,
yin
mas
deficiency,
kidney
we
2,
can just use
kidney 6. So,
yeah,
pag
kidney
may heat
6.
na, mas kidney 2. Okay.
Yeah. Oo. Next.
Propustin and light red menses and shortened cycle, lassitude, palpitation, shortness of breath, subjective empty and heavy sensation, antedated menstruation due to Chi deficiency.
So ano yung una-una mong titingnan para kaagad alam mo na ang cause ng antedated menstruation, Chi deficiency?
Lassitude po siya, tapos yung
SOB, no?
shortness of
Shortness
breath,
of breath.
Very
pale
good.
tongue.
Okay. Everything is with an effort. Parang konting ano lang, parang hindi na niya kaya. Yun.
Heavy.
See? Very good. And the pulse is weak, of course. That is why it is important that you should always look. I'm sure you're already practicing it. Next, 69, acupuncture treatment.
REN 6, spleen 6, REN 12, tsaka stomach 36 po siya.
Very good. Ready na talaga kayo. And finally, this one, what is the pattern po?
Post-dated menstruation due to blood deficiency. Kasi po yung kanyang pulse, weak and thready. Tapos sa blurred vision siya. And then yung ano niya po, yung complexion niya is sallow and
Yes.
lusterless skin.
Okay. So, blood deficiency. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Lane. Parang
Thank you
ready
po.
na talaga kayo. So, I hope you can keep that, the notes. No?
Thank you po, Doc.
Okay, kahit hindi nagme-mens yung iba, let's call on the guys naman. Sir Michael, good evening. Diyos ko, baka may party na naman to.
Huli po.
Okay.
Ito po, Doc.
Can you answer 71 to 80 para matapos na tayo po?
71 to 82 po. Yan.
I'm sure inaral nyo na to. Okay, post-dated menstruation naman due to cold. I'm sorry, anong pattern ito?
Sinagot yun na.
Sabi ko na. So ano yung una mo? Ano yung gagawin mo para alam mo kaagad na ang cause ng post-dated menstruation is yung sagot mo?
Ang sinabi po nyo kanina, post-dated menstruation due to cold in the blood kasi.
Yeah, pero ang tanong ko, ano yung hahanapin mo?
Ayun po, siyempre po kapag ang tongue po is white.
Aside from the tongue. No, actually, there's nothing wrong with the tongue. Thin and white tongue is normal. The pulse would be deep.
Deep and slow.
Okay, what else are you going to palpate, which will clinch the diagnosis?
Delaying, cold peak. Ito pong lower abdomen po.
Pwede?
Pag masakit ka,
Okay.
may colic.
Yung pinakamaganda is cold limbs, no?
Saka yung klase ng pain po, Doc. Colicky pag
Colicky pain. Next, what would be your acupuncture treatment for post-dated menstruation due to due to blood deficiency?
Hindi man po ako nakaka-experience ng ganito, Doc, demonstration.
Pero Diyos ko naman, makakapasyente ka rin.
Opo. Ang pwede pong gamitin natin yung REN po. Front movement po ng small intestine.
Okay.
REN 6 po at saka spleen 6.
Wow, ang ganda. Ang galing niya talaga. Nag-aaral na. Wala nang party masyado. Bago kayo mag-party, matapos na tayo dito. Okay, number 70.
For deficiency.
Acupuncture treatment due to blood deficiency. Tapos meron siyang dizziness and blurred vision. Siyempre, these things should be addressed as well. What are you going to use? Yes?
Of course, yung favorite po ng lahat kapag may ganyan po, sa Do20.
Okay.
To raise young.
Kanina pa pinag-uusapan po yan. Anyway.
Okay. So ngayon na-experience mo na. Ano joke?
Opo.
Okay, emote ka na lang. Okay, what about this? What will be your acupuncture treatment? Yun pa rin, blood deficiency na may palpitation and insomnia.
Ito po, ginagamit ko po ito po, yung sa specialist sa insomnia. Heart 7 po.
Okay, very good. Very good. Yes, and then number 75. Anong pattern po ito ng post-dated menstruation?
Due to po ito ng stagnation.
Alin dito sa mga symptoms yung pwedeng, that will clinch the diagnosis po?
Mental depression po. Pwede rin po itong distensions in hypochondrial stress.
Distending pain in the lower abdomen. Alam mo, distending yung parang umuusli.
Hinihila.
Okay.
Okay po.
Next, what will be your acupuncture treatment for post-date administration due to chi stagnation?
Sa may na po ito, front mo po ng it is stomach 25 po. Dalawa po yung kidney 13. Spleen 8 po and liver 3. Usual liver 3.
Wow, very good. Acupuncture treatment for post-date administration due to chi stagnation with fullness in the chest.
Ito po sa amin, sa anak ko po, PC6 po.
Okay, dadagdagan mo ng PC6. Ito naman, due to chi stagnation, may distension in the hypochondriac region and breast.
78. Ano po, liver 14 po, Kimen. Yun lang po nakuha ko.
Chimen. Ano po classification ng liver 14?
Liver 14. Yan.
Ano po classification ni liver 14?
Ang liver 14 po is
ano ba yun?
Liver 14.
Front view of the
liver.
Yes, next, 79. Irregular menstruation cycle. Ano po ang nito? Pattern.
Ito po is due to chi stagnation in the liver.
Okay. Ano yung, di ba pabalik-balik lang hypochondrial distension, breast distension, distending pain. Tapos normal yung tongue, thin white coating, no?
Okay po, opo.
So, stagnation in the liver. Actually, pag may liver chi stagnation, wala kang usually makikita sa tongue. And finally, what will be your acupuncture treatment, Sir Michael?
Apat po yung nalagay ko po, REN 6, kidney 14, PC5, saka liver 5 po, ligua.
Very good. Congratulations po, Sir Michael. At least na-experience mo na. Let's call on maybe another female. Ma'am Angelita Ramos, would you like to join? Ma'am Angelita. Miss Angelita Ramos to... no response. Ano ba? Are you there, Ma'am Angelita? Okay, let's proceed to Doc. Ini-snub tayo ni Ma'am Angelita. Let's go now to Dr. Sam Rizon. Welcome back, Dr. Sam. Very busy schedule and congratulations.
Hi, Doc. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. I'm sure this is chicken feed for you. Tapusin na natin lahat.
Hindi naman, Doc. Nahihilo nga ako, Doc, kasi parang nagbago yung grado ng mata ko.
Time to change. Every 2 years yan dapat pinapalitan. Okay.
Nag-acupuncture ako, Doc, Hindi ko alam kung baka bumaba or tumaas. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Okay.
Okay, so try ko, Doc, ha?
Yes, acupuncture treatment. Ito na yung kanina, no? Follow up lang, yung kanginang kay Sir Michael.
Okay.
This time, the patient has hypochondrial distension and breast distension.
Okay, distension in the hypochondriac region. Okay. We can add, if this is hypochondriac distension, we can add REN 17. And the liver 14, which is the front of the liver.
Wow. Ready. Dito ma-open ni Ma'am Angelita yung speaker. Okay, galit yung speaker sa kanya. Okay, number 82.
Okay, acupuncture treatment for irregular menstruation cycle due to G stagnation in the liver with mental depression. Mental depression.
What are you going to use? Ano ba yung pinakamagandang point for mental issues, mental depression?
For me, it's Heart 7, the Shenmen.
Yeah.
And I can use liver 2 or liver 3.
Very good. Liver 3.
Liver 3.
Next. What pattern ng irregular menstruation cycle would the following case tell us?
Hold on. Dizziness, tinnitus, weak and aching of the lower back and knees. So that pattern belongs to irregular menstruation due to kidney deficiency symptoms.
Automatic, no?
Lower back.
Because pag meron kang lower back pain and knee pain, automatically it's a
kidney. Tsaka meron siyang frequent night urination.
Yes. Okay.
Right. 84 acupuncture treatment for irregular menstruation cycle due to kidney deficiency. Ano kaya the best nito? We can use bladder 23, the Bakshu point of the kidney. And we can use also kidney 8 and REN 4.
Very good. Next, acupuncture treatment for irregular menstruation cycle due to kidney deficiency. And the patient is complaining of sore and weak lower back pain. What are you going to offer?
Ano ba yung sa kidney? We can use kidney 10.
Okay.
Kidney 10 and parang may extra point. Parang may extra point yan. Okay.
Yes, yaw yan.
Yes, yaw yan.
Malapit lang din yan sa ano. Sa somewhere there. Kidney 10. Next, we go to acupuncture treatment for irregular menstruation cycle due to kidney deficiency with dizziness and tinnitus.
Dizziness and, automatic yan, Doc. Dizziness, favorite natin, do 20. And then kidney 3.
Yes. See? Gusto mo na ba ma-experience ito, Chok? So what do you call this? Pain appearing in the lower abdomen and lower back before, after, or during menstruation. Basta may pain.
Actually, that's dysmenorrhea, Doc.
Okay. What is the pattern here? But if the dysmenorrhea is accompanied by colicky, cramping pain.
Colic ache, cramping pain, that is cold, excess cold.
Cold.
Excess excess cold, but
actually masakit to. Pwede ko pa na-experience. Okay. Then we have this one. Anong pattern po ito?
Piercing, stabbing pain, automatically, that's blood stasis.
Very good. Distended, dull pain.
Pag dull pain is we have this interior cold and empty cold, I think.
Okay, tapusin na natin para ano na tayo. Slight pain.
Slight pain. Slight pain is deficiency syndrome.
Okay, ibig sabihin na sanay. Okay, let's now go to the syndrome, the types of dysmenorrhea syndrome.
Okay, we have the excess syndrome and we have the deficiency syndrome.
Very easy. Now, let's go to excess. Ano yung syndrome differentiation for excess ng dysmenorrhea?
Ano ba ang excess? Stagnation of the liver chi and then pain in the lower abdomen. Yeah, that's excess.
You know, I think another reason here is yung mga naliligo na malamig.
Kaya kaya may cold stagnation talaga siya. Totoo yung sinasabi ng mga matatanda. Bawal maligo.
Hindi.
Tsaka sa mga married, mga married women, actually merong cause na yung after sexual intercourse na nagpapalamig.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, nabasa ko sa book
Papasok
na.
magkaka-cold invasion.
Oo.
At saka yung nakaupo sa ano, sa may semento.
Oh, semento, tama.
Or baka nakaano, dapat mag-ano na, hindi na, takpan na.
Takpan na.
Okay. Okay, let's go now here. Ano po ito? Anong pattern ito ng dysmenorrhea?
Pain in the lower abdomen, usually starting before menstruation, retarded, like scanty and dark. Okay, scanty and dark purple menses with clots. Dysmenorrhea with ano to, Doc? Purplish tongue.
Blood stagnation.
Yeah, this is blood stagnation.
Actually, combination niya ng chi and blood.
Chi, oo. Chi and blood.
Kasi may distending.
Purple na, no? Siyempre, pag may chi stagnation, may blood stagnation.
Meron yan.
What about this?
Pain and cold feeling in the lower abdomen, referring to referring to the waist and back. So, tsaka meron siyang scanty dark red menses with clots. So, dysmenorrhea exists due to excess cold.
Okay.
Cold stagnation.
Lalo na pag, yes. Cold feeling. Yan ang
cold feeling.
Cold feeling. Saka nare-relieve siya pag
relieved warmth. Alleviated warmth.
Acupuncture treatment for dysmenorrhea due to excess.
Okay. We can use bladder 32, liver 3, and we can use also REN 3 and LI4.
Okay. Marami ka ng pasyente nito?
Actually, Doc, hindi, Doc. Mga referral lang. Tumatawag lang sa akin o nagchat-chat.
Actually, kung malaman ng mga gynecologists na ganun kayo kagaling, you will, as long as sinusoli niya yung patient, I think they will be very happy to collaborate, no? So, wag lang nating nakawin yung pasyente nila. Especially mga OB, no? So, I think this is our chance of positioning ourselves hopefully in the OB ward in the future, in the near future, I hope. So, effort lang. Next, 97. Acupuncture treatment for dysmenorrhea due to excess with
distending pain. We can use Doc, hindi ko masyado ginagamit ito, but it's kidney 14 at saka stomach 28.
Okay. Next, what if the patient is complaining of cold feeling in the lower abdomen? Parati siya nag-hot compress. What are you going to use?
Hot compress. So we can use stomach 29 and Doc, stomach 27. I think.
Do you use this often?
Yes, Doc.
Wow.
Chikati.
Number 99. Kasi di ba malamig-lamig sa inyo minsan karamihan. Okay. Anong pattern nito ng dysmenorrhea due to?
Teka, Doc. Alleviated warm and pressure, pink, scanty, and this is dysmenorrhea due to deficiency.
Okay.
Symptoms.
And finally, I think this is the last one. What will be your acupuncture treatment for dysmenorrhea due to deficiency?
That's REN 4, bladder 20, and then of course 23 for the kidney, and 36 and the spleen 6.
Very good. Okay, congratulations. Thank you so much. I think you all did well tonight. And we finished just in just a little more than an hour. And I think you're all excited. Ang galing-galing nyo na, talagang ano na lang talaga. We only have two weeks left before you do your clinicals. So I think, I don't know how, I'm not so sure. Magaling na kayo sa points, but I think we need to come up with a system. Yeah, it's our honor to have you, Sir Julius. We have heard a lot about you. Si Sir Julius, congratulations, is now a certified acupuncturist. Sana ihasik mo yung positive vibes mo, Sir Julius, because they are all CAA and we hope that they will all be certified before end of the year. So let's pray and hope na ganon. Stay humble, continue to, learn. And when you read cases, always imagine that you are in front of the patient. You just have to look for the best symptom that will make you clinch the diagnosis. And magugulat kayo pa ulit-ulit lang, no? Thank you, Sir Julius. It's an honor to have you. Tinan mo, na-inspire lahat yung mga tao. And also, we would like to thank Dr. Gavino, the legendary Dr. Gavino, where all of our knowledge came from. No? Hopefully, he will agree to be one of the panelists for your Revalida. So, sige, hopefully, we can meet soon. We'll just try to, would you like to meet sometime in June? End of June, probably. Hindi pa ready.
Biglang ninervyos.
Wala naman. Ano pa lang mapapractice tayo para ma-hurdle nyo lahat yung mga itatanong ni na Dr. Webb, Dr. Gavino, and maybe one more. No? From the PAI. Okay, so I don't think you have any more questions. We're all proud of you. Thank you so much, Dr. Gavino, for joining. And I'm sure, alam niyo naman si Dr. Gavino, sana nakapasa tayo sa panlasa niya. And thank you, everyone. And we hope to see you again. By the way, next week, we're going to try, mag-Monday na tayo po, instead of Tuesday. Okay, anyway, last 2 weeks na lang naman, di ba? And then, we will tell you the schedule for your exams. We'll probably give a space of about 2 weeks each for all 6. Yung mga nakakuha na ng 1, you don't need to retake. I think all of you passed. Walang may yun na, ang gagaling nyo talaga. Sabi ni Dr. Webb, dapat makita niya muna yung questions para mas daw. Sige, I promise just give 3 options. Mukhang makaiba daw yung 5. But again, we're going to give you 100 points. So it's we were able to take up 6 units, no? 6 topics, no? 6 big topics of 10 weeks each. And congratulations, everyone. So ang ano na lang natin, I'll ask Sir Albert to schedule your I'm sure kahit kailan kayo makukuha nyo yun no? So if you've been ay naku, wow, screenshot nyo to, world class na po daw kayo, di ba? Screenshot nyo yan, galing from the legend. Thank you so much, Dr. Gavino, nakakataba ng puso. Di ba? So that I hope that inspires you to really work harder. Paulit-ulit lang talaga, di ba? And try not to memorize too many patterns, no? Just like this one. Dalawa or tatlo, no? Wag na yung 10, tapos yung 2 o 1 mo lang. Ganon. So, Sir Julius, thank you so much. Sino pa ba? Si Sir Leonardo Jacob. Is he a student? I hope ngayon ko lang. Okay, so maraming salamat po. So next week, we'll do it on a Monday. Will that be okay? 6 p.m. Okay, we'll decide if we can push through with our... we'd like to see you para makita ko kung gaano kayo kagaling kung tumingin ng cases. And since you're doing missions almost, if I'm not mistaken, every week, sometimes twice a week, why don't you develop a system that will make you treat the patients fast, no? So instead of needling the body, you use the ear or you use the gua sha, or ano kasi doon is ma-relieve mo yung symptom right away. And please don't post pictures na nag-needle kayo, baka ma-technical tayo, no? Oo, so doon mo na lang gawin sa bahay nyo, or as long as you don't post it. So para mas safe tayo, let's do the ear. At the same time, you would know the what's this? The equivalent of the points on the ear. So hopefully matuloy tayo dyan, maybe end of the month, end of June. But that's very tentative yet. I'd like to see how good you are. Kasi di ba, you see the picture for 1 hour. Dapat, and you cannot do that on missions. So sa missions kasi, can you imagine, matagal ka sa isang pasyente, edi mabagal masyado, no? So why not do it like, alam mo kaagad, within 10 minutes, gets mo na, or 5 minutes, needle mo na, punta ka na sa isang patient. So, yon, gagawin nating mabilis, no? Okay. Hindi yung, and you have to have a system, okay? So maraming salamat po. Congratulations, everyone. I'll see you on Monday for week 9. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Okay,
Good night.
Doc. Thank you po.
Okay, mag-dinner na kayo. Thank you po.
Thank you po.